Hi, today I'm going to show you how to find the figures for the app install campaigns in Google Ads using the Firebase. So in order to see those figures, you have to have an access to the Firebase, and I've already given to one to Emily, and then you just go to firebase.google.com, and then once you're in, um, you should have this thing in here, like go to console. So once you get in here, you have the Reading X project. Click it, and then since we only have iOS app active at this time, we'll just be looking at the figures for this particular app. So once you're in this screen, go to dashboard, and then check the source, this one, how do you acquire new users. Click it, and you will first go to like the first open. So you have different kinds of conversions being tracked, but the first open is where we can see the installation conversions. And then if you just want to look like the last 7 days, or probably like Tuesday to Wednesday, yeah, it should be something like Tuesday to Wednesday. And then when you go to this part here, you just leave it this way, and then you click this part and click campaign. So it will give you the different campaigns that you're running. And for Google Ads, you just want to filter them um, based from like the source that is coming from Google Ads. And with that, you can go to this filter button here, and then you just check the source and check Google and tick the Google, and it will give you the figures here. So what you can see here is just the number of purchases and the revenue. However, you cannot see yet the other conversions, like for example the subscribe sign up. So if you want to have those figures, then you just choose this one, and just filter it again uh, by campaign here, and then by source. Go. So here there's only like count. So this is the number. This is referring to the number of people who reach the subscribe sign up stage. I haven't checked actually like how in-app purchase looks like, because it's actually just counting. Okay, so basically the in-app purchase refers to the number of purchase plus the value of the purchase. So let's just try to sort it again. So yeah, so that's it. um I'm not sure if you want us to collaborate later on how to double check if for example, if we choose like iOS, I'm sorry, but it's referring to the source, and then Apple. And if you want us to double check, if these figures are coinciding with the Apple search figures in that in the Apple system itself. So just let me know. Anyway, yeah, I think uh, that's that's it. So let me know if you have questions. Thank you. Bye bye.